Here's my NHRA accepted brushed finished dual roll bar mount clamp, and then here is my band clamp to hold the fire extinguisher and the tools we'll need. This lasted for a couple weeks, did the trick. We're gonna upgrade to NHRA accepted stuff here, going legal. Cut these off just like that, and the rest. We got this all taken apart. This will go on here like this though, and then this is gonna go on the roll bar here like this. We're gonna clamp it, and then this will come off the bottom. This goes into here like this, and of course you have the pin that goes in here, so you get a rough take on it before we put it in.
Let's take it over the car.
So I think we're gonna put it in the same way as we did my zip tie pipe insulation one. We're gonna go,
AKA not safe.
Not safe, yes. It's just to get the fire extinguisher off the floor from rolling around until I got this.
Start it up top and then spin it around.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, maybe.
Yeah, just don't crank it. Just
Here, give me another bolt. Four little bolts. Actually, what are these called? Hex heads.
They're bolts.
Get them just enough. I'm gonna swing this down into the position. Maybe not.
There you go.
There we go.
There it is. Yeah, that looks good.
Is it centered?
To the left a little bit.
We'll get half of the V and half the O.
Yeah, that's good. Just got to do it evenly.
Is that looking good?
More.
Yeah, get the twist of that. Did a little
Give
twist.
it a little twist on.
Little twist of that Allen key, that Allen wrench. Little twist, little do ya.
And the other side.
It's pretty tight.
Feel good?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm gonna go into this.
This jacks it open.
Oh. Always read directions, folks. Directions.
Okay. Can we open a little more? Hold up.
I got it. Open it a little more. All right, we're gonna tighten this down. That might be too far.
Push it back a little more.
Gonna go in there like so.
Crank these down.
Let's go the whole way. Back them out a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's go like that with instructions, and then the max.
Okay, crankies. Yep, that's good. There you go. Does it feel tight?
It's tightening.
Cool.
See, we're going from silver to brushed to polished. They didn't have brushed in this clamp, so.
Okay. There you go. Pin it.
Pin it. In it to win it to pin it. There we go. It's all pinned. Pull to release. NHRA accepted. There we are. Here it is.